Here's a simple 7-step formula to high quality leads and more sales. Step 1, create a video. The video can be one of many different types of video, depending on your comfort level. You have a spokesperson video, which is an on-camera video, and a talking head video, explainer videos, whiteboard videos, presentation videos, and mobile phone videos, or a combination of all of those. Now here's the criteria for the video, so pay close attention. And be sure to watch this video till the end because I have a very special gift for you at the end. The criteria for the video: you want to capture the attention of your prospects and qualify them. So you'll want to create the video around a topic that is of interest to your prospect and qualify them in advance. Now, how do you qualify them? You want to ask them a qualifying question. You want to call out your target market or prospect, or you want to get your ideal prospect to raise their hand with interest. Keep your video short and concise. Keep it between 1 to 3 minutes unless you absolutely have to go over. The rule of thumb is about a minute when you're starting out testing this, and the reason is 53% of people mentioned that they will watch an entire video if it's relevant and it's under 1 minute. So if you keep it 1 to 3 minutes, you have a better chance of developing a larger audience and getting in front of them faster. Always add a call to action. Although these videos are not necessarily direct response videos, we might as well not waste a click. So tell them to visit your website or call your phone number, and there's a prime example of a call to action at the end of this video. Just ask yourself, what do you want your audience to ultimately do? What's the goal of this campaign? And throw a call to action on there. Step 2, upload your video to Facebook. You'll need a Facebook page, very easy to create. So upload your video to a Facebook page. Add context to the post. Tell your brand story. Explain the video. Add an offer. Give a description of why the video was put together or some sort of story that's relatable. Within that post, you want to make sure you add a full URL in the first 2 lines, phone number, and a call to action if these are applicable. This strategy actually works very, very well for local businesses or local business consultants. Step 3, create your Facebook ad. Now, these are 2 ads that I created, and you'll see that within the first 2 to 3 lines, we have some emojis to kind of draw your attention to it. And then also we have a full URL that is hyperlinked. Very important. And call to action buttons also work very well. But you'll want to create your Facebook video ad, and it's relatively simple because the best types of ads you can do, once you put your video on Facebook and you create that post, you're actually using that post as your ad. So you can use the boost post, but I recommend going into the ads manager and using page post engagement and video ad, and use a combination of those. Step 4, select your target. This is the most important. You have everything ready to go, but you can't show your video to everybody. You want to put it in front of people that are more likely to pay attention. That's the key. So we have a double whammy. We have a video that's going to qualify that target, and then we put it in front of that target. This is how we build our audience. We get high quality leads and more sales. So target prospects based on interest. You can target industry leaders' Facebook pages. You can target by demographics, city, state, zip, regions. You can target by male, female, etc. So whatever targeting options you need to get in front of your target. Step 5, you build your audience. Wait 3 to 5 days after running your ads. This will give Facebook enough time to collect data and begin building your audience. Segment your audience. Now, you segment your audience based on the amount of time they watched. The more time they watched, the warmer or hotter that lead is. So if they watched 25% of your video, there's some interest because they got that far. If they watched 50% of your video, there's obviously more interest because they got that far. 75 plus, there's a lot of interest. So when you segment the audience using Facebook's retargeting feature, this allows you to build an audience that you can reach out to at any given moment once it's built, and you can constantly reach back out to them. Step 6, optimize your campaign. This is where the rubber meets the road. It's the key to high quality leads. Again, the first qualifying factor is they watched a portion of our video. The second qualifying factors actually are you want to check the reporting. Demographics, are more women or men watching this? Are more iPhone users, more right-hand side views than mobile, than desktop? Instagram, is Instagram working for you? You know, the reporting will tell you exactly which way to go. And since this is data-driven, you want to take what you're getting results from and do more of that. And Facebook tells you everything that you need to know. And remember, optimization never ends. You want to keep getting the data and using that data to laser target your audience. Step number 7, once you run those ads and you build that audience, now you run additional ads to your audience. You can run video ads, again, and run stories. You can run image ads that are targeted, and the ads that you run, regardless of what they are, you're running them to that initial audience that you built from that qualifying video. But you want to make sure that your message is congruent, and you also want to make sure that your branding is congruent. So test the ads, test different types of ads, different placements of ads, see what's working, document that, continue to do that, scale out. Now there you go. You have the 7-step formula. HTA, highly targeted audience, divided by HQL, high quality leads plus ROI equals sales.